If you're looking for a free Minecraft server hosting alternative to Aternos, play.hosting is a new option. It offers 4 GB RAM, 10 GB storage, and supports both Java and Bedrock. Let's walk through how to set up your server. Go to play.hosting and click Login to create an account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Basic setup. Choose between a public or private server. Enter your Minecraft username. This makes you the server OP. Set up a custom subdomain, e.g. yourname.play.hosting, instead of a long IP. Once setup is complete, head to the console to manage your server. You'll have full FTP access to upload or modify files. You can install plugins, mod packs, and configure the server as needed. Click Start Server and wait for it to go online. Copy your server address and paste it into Minecraft to join. Additional features: one-click GeyserMC for crossplay support, Bedrock in Java, automatic backups and extra ports for better customization, minigame, and modpack installer. For easy setup, play.hosting gives more RAM and storage than Aternos, but like all free hosts, it has some limitations, including queue times and auto-shutdown if inactive. Still, it's a solid option for running a free Minecraft server. That's it for this guide. Let me know if you try play.hosting and subscribe for more tutorials.